sounds. Ostrich's Halloween party was now over, and Dragon was heading home. It was getting late, and Dragon was feeling very hungry. He started to think about all the tasty things he would have for dinner. But then, Dragon heard a sound. There it was again. Dragon liked Halloween to be scary, but not that scary. Dragon walked as quickly as he could, but the scary sound kept following him. What could it be? And then he saw something. It was just his scary pumpkins. Now Dragon wished he hadn't made them quite so scary. But what was that sound? The scary sound had followed Dragon right into the house. And it sounded like it was coming from... Dragon realized it wasn't a scary sound following him around. It was his tummy gurgling. He must have been really, really hungry. So Dragon made himself a nice batch of pumpkin and pickle soup. And pumpkin and mustard pie. A big pumpkin and cupcake pizza. And a pumpkin ice cream sundae. And Dragon ate and ate and ate. Until he felt as big and round as a pumpkin. He couldn't wait until next Halloween.